If you're facing a problem where any app that you open on your iPhone crashes immediately after opening, this is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So let's just get straight into the video. The first thing you can do is going to be simply force closing and reopening the application just like that. If that doesn't work, then try to perform a standard or a force restart. And that is done by simply quickly pressing and releasing the up button on volume and down, and then simply holding your power button until the Apple icon shows up. Also, ensure that your iPhone is completely up to date. As you can see, I have a software update, so you can simply go ahead and update. Also, go to your settings and then into your applications right over here. So let me just go ahead and do that. And where there are massive applications, you can simply go ahead and offload these applications or try to uninstall and reinstall those. Or if you don't need a couple of applications, you can simply go ahead and delete those as well. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.